Here are two strategies you can use for vocabulary. These work for both instruction and formative assessment. First, we have pocket words. This is a strategy where you gather words that are both known and unknown on a ring, as you see here. They're small enough to fit in a pocket, hence the name. The student needs to have success with this activity, so most of the words should be known. As new words are added, do not remove the old words. This way, the student sees their stack of words they know growing. As they travel through the school day and in different settings, any adult may ask to hear their pocket words. This can provide much needed repetition. Next, we have foldables, which are useful for many kinds of content. Here is an example of two different levels of words that you probably wouldn't see in the same foldable in real life. But you can have the student write the definition, include a picture, examples, non-examples, all different kinds of things. And of course, these can be more than 3 tabs. So 2 strategies useful for vocabulary.